let's be honest, we all expected Intel's Arrow Lake refresh to be kind of a mess, as reports kept coming out that there will be nothing really too different in them, that they won't have any core increases or anything, and at best they may just be slightly higher binned or come with a slightly better MPU for those that care about that. And well, the Arrow Lake refresh is finally here. All 2 CPUs. However, to everyone's surprise, they are actually a pretty decent deal, at least relatively speaking for what Intel is offering this generation. See, here's the thing, these 2 new Plus SKUs aren't even flagships or anything, rather they kind of just fit into the existing product stack while also making the CPU closest to them kind of obsolete. These 2 new chips are the Core Ultra 7 270K Plus and the Ultra 5 250K Plus. So the decision to not go for a new flagship from Intel is an interesting one, though it kind of makes sense given the state of the economy and what kind of CPUs people are actually buying. And price-wise, they are a pretty good deal, as the 250K Plus has a few additional cores when compared to its closest existing counterpart, the 245K, and it's overall slightly faster, all while being over $100 cheaper, while the 270K Plus also has 4 more efficiency cores when compared to the existing Core Ultra 7, the 265K, and it's once again overall a decent amount faster across the board. However, this new faster CPU is going to be just $300. So both of these new SKUs give you a pretty nice discount and extra performance to boot, and also the supported memory being much faster would also be a nice touch, if not for the fact that the current memory market is an absolute joke and it will cost you an arm and a leg and all of your savings just to get a kit that even has those kinds of speeds. So that's everything when compared to Intel, but how about when you compare these things to, well, AMD? Well, Intel technically did compare them, they were pretty vague and mostly just using synthetic benchmarks, and especially given how AMD has seen a lot of success when it comes to the X3D SKUs and what they can do for gaming, well, obviously that is going to be a huge plus for AMD CPUs. And of course, while you're going to need yet another new motherboard from Intel if you want to upgrade from these things in the future, AMD's AM5 platform still has at least a couple more years to go, plus a catalog of 2 full generations of CPUs already, meaning that the total value proposition could still be on the AMD side, even if these things are obviously a great deal when compared to the chips they are essentially replacing. But what are your thoughts on these brand new releases from Intel? Let me know down in the comments below, and while you're at it, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus you thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Bartosz Vroka, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Allcroft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and let's see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.